Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to iGnova. New video today for a checkpoint physics part. Our topic today is a magnet and power station. Let's start. First question. Choose the correct answer. What type of energy source is shown in the image? This image, it shows you what? Is it a wind energy? Surely no. Solar energy? No. Coal or fossil fuel power station? Yeah. This is the correct option. Question 2. Which of the following is not renewable energy source? Is the wind renewable? Yeah. Solar also renewable. Biomass renewable. Natural gas if not renewable energy source. Question 3. What is the primary function of the device shown in the image? This is the cell for solar energy. Solar cell. The solar cell convert wind into electricity? Surely no. Convert sunlight into electricity directly? Yeah. And we have a note here says solar cells, the only power station with no burning or moving parts. No any moving parts here for a solar cell. So correct option is B. Question 4. What is the main advantage of using wind turbine for energy production? Why we prefer to use wind turbine? Because they emit greenhouse gases? Surely no. It's a clean energy. They rely on fossil fuels? Actually, no. We depend on fossil fuels more than wind energy. So B also not correct. They produce renewable energy without emissions. This is the correct option. This is one of main advantage for wind turbines. Question 5. How do hydroelectric dams generate electricity? How they generate electricity? By burning coal to heat water. Burning coal, it's not hydroelectric. In hydroelectric, there is no burning. It's a reservoir here. Water flows down through pipes. Okay. Here, there is a turbine fixed, moving this kinetic energy connected to generator that generate electricity. So by using wind to turn turbines, not using water to turn turbines. Capture sunlight, surely no. The remaining is deep. By using the flowing water to turn turbines, this is the correct option. Question 6. What is the common source of biomass energy? The biomass energy, the main source of it, it's organic waste material. So sunlight, it's the main for agriculture or the organic materials. But biomass, it's for wastes. So correct option, C. Question 7. Which of the following is non-renewable energy source? Non-renewable, surely coal power station. Okay, question 8. What is the major environmental concern associated with the coal power plants? They produce no emission? Surely no, they produce a lot of carbon dioxide gases. They contribute to air pollution. Yeah, they play an important role in air pollution and greenhouse gases. Surely this is the correct option. Question 9. What is the key benefit of using solar panels for energy? If they are ineffective in sunny areas, surely no. We need sunny areas. They reduce electricity bills and carbon footprints, carbon emissions. Surely, yeah, this is one of benefits for solar panels. Question 10. In which location are wind turbines most effective? Wind turbines are most effective in areas with constant strong winds. Yeah, this is one of requirement to allocate our wind turbines. Question 11. What is the testing material to find out which are magnetic? You have wood, plastic, iron, and glass. Which of the following materials is attracted to magnet? Wood, surely not, will not attracted. Plastic also will not. Iron is the only one attracted. Maybe instead of using iron, maybe he can say paper clips or paper clip. Any substance made from this material. Question 12. You bring a north pole of one of magnet close to a south pole of another. Opposite poles of a magnet will surely attract each other. Question 13. Your friend brings two magnets together, both with their north poles facing each other. Similar poles, they will repel each other. Question 14. Scrapyard. A crane lifts metal using a large coil connected to power supply. What type of magnet is this? This type of magnet, by using large coil and power supply, surely electromagnet. Question 15. A student wraps more coils and increase the current in her electromagnet. What happens to the magnet strength? When more coils and increasing current, there's two ways to increase strength. So it becomes stronger. Question 16. A teacher sprinkles iron flings around the bar magnet. What do the feelings shows? I need to draw here the magnet north and south pole. If you sprinkle an iron flings, they will take a definite shape. This shape shows you the magnetic field, how the magnetic field pattern exists around the ball. Okay? And don't forget the direction. It must comes out of north, enters south in all directions, and went to south here. And magnetic field lines enters south pole. So it's gonna show the magnetic field, but you need to remember this. Ancient sailor used naturally magnetic rock to guide them at sea. What is the name of the rock? Naturally magnetic rock, it's granite, cholino, lodestone. Yeah, that's it. Question 18. You drop a magnet and it breaks into two pieces. Here, magnet north and south. What's gonna happen when you drop it and become two pieces? See, actually, they lose the all magnetism? Surely no. Each piece become a smaller magnet if you have a north pole and south pole, and the magnet it breaks down. You're gonna find that each piece will make north and south, make the opposite pole. So for that, each one will become a magnet. The magnetism must have north and south. If they break, each one will make its own opposite pole. So correct option is B. Question 19. You test a nail, coin, key, and a screw with a magnet. Which item is not attracted to magnet? Nail it made from iron, so it will be attracted. Key, iron also, it will attract it. Coin from aluminum, so this is the one will not attract it. By this, we are done now with this worksheet. See you next time with IG Nova with more worksheets for checkpoint and IGs. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.